Here are the latest Tomica Premium Ferrari Dino 246 GT. This pair of Dino was released in Japan last weekend, and as usual, all the commemorative color was snapped up. I also did a review for the TLV version. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the Ferrari Dino in red. As usual, it comes in an irregular scale in 1:61. First impression, the body color on this Dino looks awesome. Red is always the signature color for Ferrari and it will always be. It comes with the Tomica standard suspension in realistic wheel set, and unlike the TLV version, this Ferrari Dino does not have any opening parts. I noticed that Tomica tries to avoid opening parts for its Ferrari models in the premium and mainline series. I really love the paint job. It looks premium on the casting, and details such as the plastic headlights and silver trimmings are a blast for the premium model. Sadly, the rear light is painted. If not, it will look much more premium as well. Next is the Ferrari Dino in commemorative colors. Apart from the box and its body color, all the specs are the same. It shares the identical feature as the red, such as the Tomica suspension, and without any opening parts as well. In conclusion, this pair of Ferrari Dino looks awesome. Although these Ferrari are produced under the license of Meituan Group, Milestone and Burago, Tomica did a far more better job than all these makers. And I'm really glad that the Ferrari brand returns back to Tomica after all these years. Many new features coming. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.